Good morning, scholars. I offer now a preview of a full lesson that exists on my Patreon site for my patrons. This lesson will cover the material that I've added to lesson 27, that is a literary survey of second aorist passive verbs, those used in prose and poetry. That is, this is an expanded presentation of Smythe section 594. So it's 594, as you recall, Smythe presents second aorist passives, wherein it's the only aorist passive found in Attic prose. And he lists those verbs, and I go through them. And then I mention the change that occurs from epsilon to alpha, found at 479 of Smythe. And then I look at the verbs themselves: plant, equip, slaughter, make to fall. And I offer literary examples of each. The first from Thucydides, the next from Euripides' Hecuba, the third from Thucydides again, and a little geography lesson regarding what's going on in the Thucydides, and then the context in translation of Thucydides 8:24, a continuation of that context, and then finally the bit from 8:24 that's rather complex, featuring, wonderful stuff. Okay, so then I give you the verbs again, and that is the video. So I hope that you Greek students who are interested in continuing the course will become patrons of my Patreon site so that you can grow your Greek and be ready when we start reading Homer and such. Okay, have a good day. Bye-bye, and good luck with everything.